Hey Adele. Adele, I have a question for you. Do you love your Nana and Papa? Do you? No, you just roll over. Give her a card. Put answer my question. Ready? Hey Adele. Adele. You're being silly. Adele. Hey Adele. Do you love your Nana and Papa? Give back up. Where are you going? You're supposed to shake your head yes. Remember? You practiced this. Ready? Where are you going? Hey Adele. 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 No, don't you think about it. Don't roll over that way. Okay, ready? Hey Adele. Can you shake your head? Yes? Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. Adele. Oh, forget it. Don't eat the carpet.